How do scorecards improve accountability? Scorecards improve accountability by turning vague goals into clear numbers that everyone can see and agree on, so nobody can argue about whether something got done right. Think of a scorecard like a report card, but instead of grading you on subjects like math or reading, it grades a project or a person on things like how fast a job got finished, how much money was spent, or how happy the customer was afterward. The reason this works so well is because our brains are really bad at remembering things fairly. So without a scorecard, people tend to remember only the good parts or only the bad parts depending on how they feel about someone. A cool thing most people do not know is that the best scorecards use just 3 to 5 measurements, because once you add more than that, people get overwhelmed and start ignoring the whole thing completely. Another secret trick is to review the scorecard on a regular schedule, like every week or every month, instead of just looking at it once at the very end, because catching a problem early is way cheaper and easier to fix than catching it after everything is finished. When everyone can see the same numbers, there is no more guessing or blaming, just facts sitting right there in front of you. One big mistake people make is picking measurements that are easy to count but do not actually matter. So the fix is to always ask if this number truly reflects good work before you track it. Another common issue is using a scorecard to punish people instead of to help them improve, and a better approach is to treat low numbers as a conversation starter rather than a punishment. A lot of folks also forget to write the goals down clearly before the work even starts, so make sure the target numbers are agreed upon in writing before day 1, not after. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.